What's the meaning of counterweight? Counterweight. Counterweight.
Counterweight. Counterweight. A counterweight is a weight that is used to balance or offset the weight of another object or structure. This helps to ensure stability and prevent tipping or sagging. Counterweights are commonly used in a variety of applications, including cranes, elevators, and bridges. By providing an equal and opposite force, counterweights help to maintain equilibrium and allow for the safe and efficient operation of these structures. Without counterweights, these structures would be more prone to instability and could pose a significant safety risk to the users and the general public.